Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make one of the most popular starter and snack recipe, that is chicken 65. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. The ingredients required to make this recipe are half a kilo of boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 4 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of Maida, salt as per taste, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, half a tablespoon of Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. And these are for tempering. Here I have taken 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger and 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of red chilli sauce, half a tablespoon of black pepper powder, and some coriander leaves and spring onions for garnishing, and oil for deep frying. Let's see the preparation. The first step is to marinate the chicken. So for that, take a mixing bowl and add in egg, Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander seeds powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste and yogurt. Now give it a good mix and make it into a fine paste. To this, add in the chicken pieces. Now goes in maida, corn flour and 1 tablespoon of salt and lemon juice. Now mix up all the ingredients well and make sure that the masala coats each and every pieces of chicken. Now keep this marination in a refrigerator for at least 1 hour but not more than 3 hours. It's been 1 hour, now let's start deep frying the chicken. To deep fry the chicken, here I have some oil and the oil is medium hot. Let's add in the chicken pieces one by one carefully. Now fry them for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame until they turn golden brown on all the sides. Now this is perfectly done. Let's take it out on an absorbing tissue paper and continue frying the rest. As you can see that the chicken pieces are looking yummy and mouth-watering, let's quickly move on to the last step. Take a frying pan or wok if you want to and add in 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is heated up, add garlic, ginger, green chilies and curry leaves and fry them for about a minute. Then add black pepper powder and red chilli sauce. Give it a good mix. Now add in the chicken pieces and saute for 2 to 3 minutes to coat the mixture well. And finally add some coriander leaves and spring onions on top of it and serve it hot. That's it. Our spicy and tasty chicken 65 is done and ready. Enjoy it as a starter or as a snack. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.